Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Discord mic cutting out and how you can stop voice cutting out in Discord. So first of all, of course, open up Discord app and then go to user settings and then go to voice and video. And manually, basically, if you experiencing mic cutting out, you can always select push to talk, select the shortcut, and when you're pressing the button, people will hear you, and when you're not pressing the button, they will not hear you. So basically this is the easiest fix. But if you want to basically have open mic, you don't want to push any buttons, you can select voice activity, and then probably this option for you is on, automatically determine input sensitivity. So what you need to do here is to turn off this as you can see here option, and as you can see here, when I'm talking, there is a line going here. So what you need to do here is to make your this little line above your voice. As you can see here, when I'm talking here, my voice is going to the right side. So what you can do here is to make, for example, as you can see here, I made -82 here, and my voice, basically my whole voice will be picking up by my mic, right? So don't, as you can see here, my voice going around here, so don't do this line around here because, or around here something, because they will not pick all your voice here. Make it here, right? Of course it's a little bit different for you, but you need to just test it out and see what's best working for you. All right, so if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.